When you search for the best balance board for training, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, ProSource Fit Balance Pad Blue. First up is the ProSource Fit Exercise Balance Pad in blue, priced at just $19.37. What really caught my eye is its impressive 4.8-star rating from over 16,900 reviews, making it a bestseller. If you want to improve your balance and strength, this is worth a serious look. It's great for rehabilitation after injuries, helping to strengthen your feet and ankles. Plus, it's non-toxic and slip-resistant, which means you can focus on your workout without worrying about slipping around. At 15.5 inches long, it's just the right size to perform lunges, squats, or even used as a seat cushion. Now, some users mentioned that it could be too soft for those who want a firmer surface. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a gentle challenge to build balance, this might actually be perfect for you. If you need something more intense, it might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an injury or just starting your fitness journey. Skip this one if you're an advanced athlete looking for something hardcore. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the ProSource Fit Balance Pad's softness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ProSource Fit Balance Pad Black. Next on the list is the ProSource Fit Exercise Balance Pad in black, retailing for $25.40. It shares the same excellent rating of 4.8 stars as its blue counterpart, making this one a popular choice as well. If you want to add a sleek look to your workouts while enhancing your stability, this is worth your attention. Like the blue version, this pad is designed for improving balance and core strength. It's ideal for all fitness levels, whether you're an athlete or a senior looking to enhance body awareness. The non-slip surface ensures that it stays put during your most intense sessions. The size is also great for a variety of exercises, making it versatile for both yoga and strength training. Some reviewers mentioned that the black color shows dirt more easily than other colors. However, here's the thing, it's easy to clean and the performance is spot on, so if aesthetics don't bother you, it's a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a balance pad that looks sharp while providing excellent functionality. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with minor cleaning. It's a well-priced investment for those serious about their training. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more dynamic. Product number 3, ProSource FitCore Balance Disc. The third product is the ProSource FitCore Balance Disc, priced at $25.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 4,000 reviews, this one caught my interest for its unique design. If you're looking to improve core strength and balance while staying versatile, this is worth considering. It comes with a hand pump, so you can easily adjust the firmness to match your workout needs. At 14 inches in diameter and only 2.2 pounds, it's easy to carry around, making it perfect for on-the-go workouts. However, a few users complained about the need for frequent inflation, which can be a hassle. I'll be real with you, if you don't mind pumping it up occasionally, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a portable balance solution that also helps with posture and balance. Skip this if you prefer something more stable and less hands-on. It offers good value considering its multi-purpose uses. Now, if that occasional inflation issue was a turnoff for you, the next product on our list offers a more stable solution. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Wood Wobble Board. Coming in at number 4 is the Amazon Basics Wood Wobble Balance Trainer Board, priced at $19.24. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 15,600 reviews, it's a great budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to work on your balance, this one's definitely worth a look. It's ideal for core strength exercises, coordination training, and can even be used for rehab purposes. Its compact size, 15.75 inches square, makes it easy to store and use in smaller spaces. That said, some users found it a bit too rigid for their liking, especially if they were looking for a softer balance challenge. Here's the thing, if you want a straightforward tool that delivers solid performance without unnecessary bells and whistles, this is a great pick. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable balance board that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something more cushioned. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're after something more advanced, the final product on our list might really impress you. Product number 5, Sportneer Balance Board. Last but not least, we have the Sportneer Balance Board, which retails for $89.99. With a 4.8-star rating from 1,300 reviews, this one is for those who want a more comprehensive training experience. If you're serious about improving balance and coordination, this could be the one for you. It's built to support up to 450 pounds, so it's extremely durable. The matte surface provides excellent grip, whether you're using it barefoot or with shoes. This is a versatile training tool that can also work well for various sports like skateboarding or martial arts. However, some users mention that the price might be a bit steep compared to simpler options. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a multifunctional tool that adapts to your training needs, the investment could be well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast wanting to up your game. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. It's a higher price point, but the value it offers is impressive. To wrap it up, we covered 5 fantastic balance boards. The ProSource Fit Balance Pad, both blue and black, the ProSource Fit Core Balance Disc, the Amazon Basics Wood Wobble Board, and the Sportneer Balance Board. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for something simple, portable, or multifunctional. Choose based on your training needs and you won't go wrong.